have my own dreams. Okay, I want to have started a grocery, which means maybe I'll be kind of financially dependent. I'll be able to meet my needs.
What I would like to do is to open a fruit salad, just a foundation on how I can get my own earning, and then open a baby care. That is at least to be able to support my brothers and sisters who are behind me.
First of all, I must be hardworking because of where I come from. Secondly, determination. I must be determined towards my goals. Thirdly, so that I can help my family and the community around me.
Dette er Kibera. Jeg står nu i verdens allerstørste slumområde. Her bor over 1 million mennesker, og de fleste de kan knap nok klare sig igennem dagen og vejen. De må leve for, hvad der svarer til under 25 danske kroner om dagen.
Life has not been that easy for us. It has been hard ever since we were young. It has been from hand to mouth, and we try so hard to make it successful in life.
My parents died when I was still 11, and we've been surviving all through with the little we get.
Currently, I'm living maybe talk about 100 per day shillings. We have rented a room whereby we cost share with the other 3 guys whom we help each other in maybe buying food stuffs. So it's still hard for you to depend on yourself wholly because there's no job.
Lige her bag mig, ja, der bliver en masse unge lige nu undervist og trænet i for eksempel kundeservice og regnskab og det at kunne sætte en målsætning op for en business. Alle sammen færdigheder, som skal gøre dem i stand til en dag at kunne åbne deres egen forretning og ikke mindst kunne få et af de meget attraktive mikrolån.
I never knew the importance of calculating maybe the living costs, operating costs and the capital costs.
I know how to start up a business, what to start up with, what to prioritize first, and how to control it.
I've learned so many things. I've learned many things about business, how you can start with the little thing that you have.
Yeah, post-election ilituafekti vibaya zaidi. Kama soko yote kabaniwa, manyumba huko zikaibwa, mpaka watu wakabaki hivyo bila business yote. Tena mpaka tukaanza kuamka down mpaka sasa hivi penye tumefika hapa hivi.
I was trained as a diploma holder in dentistry. Now the beadwork came in as a stepping stone to me because I couldn't have any other place to go for funds or employment, such a kind of. So this one was easier to me rather, but now I see it's a good business to me because also it has helped me venture in my life and also help other people around me.
Previously, there was a difficulty in getting money to maybe sustain yourself, but when you get into business, you know how to handle money, you know how to upkeep yourself, so like you are self-dependent now.
Tak for din støtte til Street Kids Internationals danske projekter.